Good afternoon, my name is Nathan Parks and behind me is my favorite car we offer, a 2019 Cadillac XTS Eagle Coach Echelon, 24,000 miles, four-way clear strobes, flag mounts and staffs. It is front wheel drive on some polished Cadillac XTS wheels, silver stripe and a black on black exterior, all painted with BNC pillar chrome as well. This is by far my favorite spec. If I owned a funeral home, this is exactly the way I would do it. You have a light titanium interior with a black accent, black carpet, so everything stays nice and clean with that church truck because those wheels always tend to make a mark. You do have the fold-up door here as well. That way you can lay that church truck down horizontally if you so please. You have an umbrella storage area down below. I prefer the open church truck well. That way you can just slide it in, slide it out. I know a bunch of people get in and out of these cars, different drivers all the time, so having the open one makes it so that door doesn't wear out over time. So this is once again my favorite spec. Interior wise, you do have the C-cut window, part of the Echelon package, Landau bar specifically for the Echelon as well. Coming around back, you do get a backup camera as well. Big open rear window here. Eagle Coach does a really nice job on this. Composite load doors and number 2 doors along with the entire Hearse bodies composite. On this you have a Stormy granite floor. Wow, I always forget that one. Stormy granite floor with a pop-up urn carrier and an extend sill. There's a little black button right here. Pull this thing right out. This protects your rear bumper as the casket is walked inside. Push the button back down and slide it right back in. There's a little thumb screw on this. You can slide that down and just close it right into the floor. You do have black accents throughout, beautiful lighting in here, and you do have that vista window located up top. I love how much lighting comes into this. It makes it feel lively in here and not just like a dark back of a van. Some of the older cars definitely seem very dark in the rear, and this one brings life to the back of this coach cabin, especially with the Stormy granite floor. Quick adjust beer pins off to the right. You do get casket guide pins as well. These help protect those wheel boxes with the casket handles. This embroidery pattern here, you can get this swapped out for your funeral home name as well. That still is going on through Eagle Coach. Walking over to the driver's side compartment over here, you do get a full-size spare tire. It is matching wheel to the actual 4 wheels on the vehicle. Jack and toolkits are located in there as well, and this has a nice hide-a-door. That way you can jam pretty much anything you want behind that door, shut the door, and no one is the wiser. Helps for flags, magnets, flowers, bands for going around an American flag casket to hold the flag on top. Everything can be stored in that well, and you cannot see it when you open the door. 2 chrome nameplate holders on this side as well, and the coach lamps have made it onto the window here. Traditionally they're moved back here, but the Echelon is special because it is the top of the line. Going into the driver's compartment here, you do get black leather seats, power adjustable seats, power adjustable column, remote start, push button start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, and AM FM radio. So fully featured throughout the entire interior wise. The switch for the 4-way clear strobes is located right above your head. You cannot miss it. It's labeled strobes. Once again, this vehicle just arrived. 2019 with low mileage. This is by far the hottest car on the market right now as they are finally coming in off lease. So 1 owner car, ready to serve. It will be reconditioned in the next couple of days here, so it will be available. It is currently available right now as well. So if you want to throw a deposit on it, you're more than welcome to. Give me a call, 800-229-5008, or visit us at parksbeer.com, where you can see pretty much every photo this vehicle could possibly produce. A walk around video showing you off that urn carrier and that extended sill in this beautiful video right here with my beautiful face. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later.